welcome back, my sweethearts. If you're new here, welcome. This is a easy, simple, quick hairstyle that you can do in 15 minutes. I'm telling you. Stay with me and let's see. Okay, where did I get this hair from? No other than Amazon. Okay, this hair is 100% Remy human hair. You know what I'm saying? I'm washing it right now with conditioner. The reason why you want to wash it out is because it leaves out a better texture when you're washing it. You're cleaning it. You know, you don't want to put this in your hair and your hair starts itching. So I prefer you please wash your hair, comb it out, and you'll see better results. Clip-ins, you guys. These are clip-ins. I can't wait to put these in and show you how easy and well they mash with my hair. Alright, remember all products are going to be listed in the description box below. You guys, I did wash my hair and condition my hair the night before. So right now I'm just, conditioning it before I put it up. Okay, you guys, you don't have to do too much to your hair before you put clip-ins in, because remember, you're clipping them in. You can braid your hair, twist your hair. You can just put it in a ponytail, which we're going to do here today. Now, this wild growth oil, oh my goodness, I recommend it for anyone, for any uses, for your edges. If your edges are gone on the sides from all of, the tension that you put on your hair, add this to your hair. And you see how thick my hair, you see the texture of it? It is so thick, but it's because of that product. And I am going to put my stamp on it and let you know this product really does wonders for my hair. And it made my hair, this thick and this healthy. I promise you, get this and then you'll see some results in your hair as well. Now this black edge control that I'm using, this is like my new go-to now. I'm really looking for a good edge control. You guys are not letting me know if there's a good one out there. If there is a good one, can you please let me know in the comments below and let me know what's a good edge control, because it's hard to find a good one that's going to hold your edges and really hold them and not hold them for a second and then next thing you know they're back to your natural roots. So please let me know in the comments of a good edge control. Okay, when braiding, I always stress this a lot. Please do not braid too tight. Braiding too tight causes headaches. Braiding too tight causes you to not go to sleep at night, to where you might end up taking your hair down because it's too tight. Okay, so I'm really fond about this. So make sure you're not braiding too tight, and go a little loose, because it's just a braid, and then your hair is only going to be up for a couple of days anyway. So don't do too much on that braid. Okay, so when we're braiding this down, we're gonna clip this in the back with all of the clip-ins. If your hair's not long enough to go back there, you just grab a bobby pin and just pin it on to the side, all the way to the back. Now, you don't have to have a leave out, but I prefer a leave out only because I don't want my clips to show. You can have a tiny thin layer of your natural hair just to cover up the wefts, and it'll depending on how thick or long your hair is, it will be able to cover it up. Oh my goodness, just looking at the strength of my hair. I had cut my hair last year. I mean, I cut it in layers. I mean, my hair was so short. It was so short at the top. It wasn't all meeting up, so it looks healthy right now. So like I said, use those products, you guys. Those products does wonders on your hair, because it has done wonders on mine. Okay, remember with these clip-ins, you can braid your hair, you can twist your hair, you can put your hair in a ponytail, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm putting my hair in a ponytail, and I'm just going to braid the end down and then lock that up into the ponytail. Look how nice these are. It matches so well. That's why I'm so proud that my hair is 1B. I think uh, the what 80% of the world's hair is 1B. You know what I mean? So you can find 1B all the time. It's not hard to find this color on hair. So look how it matches. Look how it goes with my hair. It's like perfect. Thank God for that 1B. But okay, so you guys, I put in there's four, no, there were three at the bottom, and then I put the three right there. This is four, and I'm gonna just put that wrap it right around my hair. So you can play with it, you guys. You don't have to have it in this direct order. So play with it, see what goes with what, because no matter what, it all matches up. Now remember, you can grab your spray bottle and spray to get the hair more springy and more bouncy, more loose, because once it dries, it's kind of stiff. So you can spray it every now and then, wet and wavy. Now I am using Curl La La just to help me with the curls. You can use any type of curl and defiant for your hair, but I am choosing Curl La La. Please, you guys, leave your perm rods in for a little longer than I did, because like the drier your hair is, the better the curl is going to be, and it will blend better with this hair. Okay, my sweethearts, this is the end of the video. I love you guys, even if I don't know you. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe. Talk to you guys next time. Well, okay. Now, for tying it up at night, my thing is you can put the perm rods back in your hair and have those ready for in the morning. It'll be nice and curly for you. It's up to you. But just put this on and you'll be fine.